Hey everybody, this is a quick video in case you have a Miele brand dish. Everybody always makes fun of me how I pronounce it. Washing machine, and you're getting a waterproof fault on it. And what can you do? So the first thing you're going to want to do is you're going to turn it off, and you're going to have to. And these are super heavy. You want to lean it back and find any water that's underneath it, and get that water cleaned off. Get everything dried up. Everything you can see you can get dried up. Can get it all dried up. And the next thing that you want to do, the easiest way to deal with a leak is if there is any back pressure from the drainage system, that can cause a leak. That can kind of cause water to seep out. So we want to make sure that everything is draining properly. That there's no clogs or kinks or bends in the drain hose behind the washing machine. And then once we've checked that, we can try to run it again and see if the water doesn't come back. If it comes back, then we can check and see, now that we've wiped everything up, if it comes back, now we can look for water again and try to figure out where that water is coming from based on where we see it. And then you can maybe identify where the water leakage is. So anyways, hope this video helped you. Thanks a lot for watching. Have a great day.